talked about what are the most important things that people do need reminders of in terms of delivering that experience. And that formed the basis of the backbone of the book and the direction of it. And then we took that to the publisher and we put together a proposal for them with chapter titles of chapters if we had chapters. But the thing was, we didn't have anything done at all.
So it was just like an
We had a
idea you guys
proposal.
were discussing.
Yeah, this great, what we thought was a great idea, this proposal that we had put together with chapter titles, assuming we had them. This is what they would look like, and then a sample of some of the writing, and that was it. So we brought it to the publisher, but their understanding was that this was something that was done. And a few weeks later, they reached out and they said, "Hey, like, can you send us your finished manuscript?" So we thought, okay, we have a good opportunity in front of us.
There's interest.
We don't want this to we don't want to lose this opportunity.